Hello everyone. This is the first example on the theory of indices. Well, let's see how we can deal with this one. We have to simplify this expression. We will not call the expression explicitly. What we'll do is try to apply the laws of indices to work it out. So the first thing we should have is this. 36, we're going to break it into 6. So this 3 and 2. So this is 6 times 6 all to the power of 2. And then here, all divided by 81. But then this 81, we don't write it as 3 to the power of 4. Then we multiply it by the 8 to the 7 power, all divided by 8 to the 4th power. You multiply it by b to the 5th power, or divided by b to the 3rd power. So we will now have for the c part, c to the 3rd power, or divided by c to the 3rd power, and then we then have d squared. The reason we separated it this way is that we want to cancel out some common factors in numerator and denominator. So here, this 6 will be 3 times 2 times 3 times 2, all to the 2nd power. No, all divided by 3 to the 4th power, not 34. This is 8 to the 3rd power because 7 minus 4 is 3. All multiplied by b to the 2nd power, b squared. This cancel out, so this is d squared. So here, what we will have is 3 appeared twice, a appeared twice. So this is 3 squared times 2 squared. But then they are all to the power of 2 over. Let me take this out. So it's all divided by 3 to the 4th power. Then this is a cubed b square d square. What this should give us is that here we will have 3 to the 4th power. In fact, we don't have to put the brackets anymore. Here, if I apply the laws of indices, we see that 2 have to multiply this 2 and 2 multiply this 2. This will give us 3 to the 4th power multiplied by 3 to the not 3 this time around, but 2. So we have here 2 to the 4th power, all divided by 3 to the 4th power, and still the a cube, b squared, and the d squared. But then these guys is cancel out, so we have 2 to the 4th power of 16. So this is 16 a cube b square d square, and this is simplest form. We can keep this expression. So here we will have our answer to be equal to push this come down. Okay, here we have our answer to then be equal to 16 a cube b square d square. So that is all for this example. Thank you for watching, and please, if you like my content, subscribe to my channel for more. As usual, you can check through the previous videos for my other good stuff I make. Thank you for your time.